What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix UE4 Oblivion Remastered. The game has crashed fatal error and how we can fix this very easily. So if you get into the game over here on the elder screen, you can see this, it is right now over here. So if you go to the game, I'll be showing you how you can fix this completely. So all we have to do is just follow these simple instructions which I'm going to show you right now. So some users is having this kind of issue, so I'm going to show you how you can fix this completely. So the first and foremost step, what we need to do is, in order to fix it, you just need to try this one. Just go over here, search over here for the virus and threat protection. You have to search, just click on the virus and threat protection, and right now from here, once you get into this, you have to scroll down and navigate to manage settings over here. Click on this one, that is going to take you to this. Now from here, what we need to do is, apart from this, you can try turning off, you should not be, if the real-time protection is turned off, try turning on the real-time protection. That's what you have to try. Once afterwards, what we need to do is, we just need to go to the installation folder. So for me, I think this particular game, that is Oblivion, right now is over here. Right click on this one, go to manage and browse local files. That is installed on local disk E, right? So this is the installation folder. We have a shortcut from the Steam which I use it right now. Now from here, what we need to do is first get into the folder over here. Now we need to do is just follow these instructions, that get into the folder named Bind Engine, then get into the folder named Plugins. Now from here, go to Marketplace. Now from here, go to NVIDIA. Now DLSS. Now from here, get into the folder named DLSS. Now from here, we need to get into Streamline. Now we need to get into binaries. Now from here, third party, go for Win64. Now get into this, and right now we have a folder named slpcl.d2. This is the folder which I renamed it as old. So what we need to do is right click on this file and go for delete it. You have to delete it. That's what you have to try, just delete it. Once the file is deleted, you have to close this. Now go back to your Google Chrome, open your Google Chrome, then update your graphics card. So if you're on the AMD, just update from the AMD site, and if you're on the NVIDIA, just update it from the NVIDIA. Just go over here, select everything, like the product type should be selected, product series, product operating system, everything should be selected based on your PC's configuration, and you have to download this. If you're on the AMD, just go over here, search everything. Now from here, you have to go over here and you have to download this and go for submit. And if you're on the Windows 11, download this one, and if you're on the Windows 10, download this one. Most probably after this, they should be completely fixed, and this is what you have to do. I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.